We'll guide you through how to make a Zoom meeting link. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. A Zoom meeting link is really convenient because an attendees can go and click it and easily go and join your meeting. So the best way I found of doing this is getting the Zoom app on your computer. So you can go and download it from the Zoom site and you can go and sign into your account or go and create one. Then come to the home page, find the option for schedule and click on it. You'll then go and get this pop-up. You can go and give it a name and you can choose when the meeting is going to go and be, set the time and date. Now you can go and set the attendees. This is super important because they'll go and be sent an email with the link in, so you can type them in. I just added one for the example and you can come down here and choose some other settings as well. And then when you're ready, you can go and click on send in the bottom right. They'll go and be sent the link and you can get the link as well by if you come and click on it over to the right here. You can see the link at the top here and also down here as well. You can right click on it and press copy link and also go and send that to people as well.